trail to my new cabin I bought.
There you go.
It's just 8 hours on this road like this, and then we'll be to it.
And another 4 upriver on a boat.
Yep, and then upriver on a boat, and then hike in.
But at least there's game all the way to the cabin.
But it's not real remote.
There's a slight drop off here.
Okay, see that.
Don't let this upset you.